the whole revelation was about me, standing up for a friend and doing something that I believed in was right at that point of time. क्या हुआ है exactly मैं वो नहीं बता सकता, but क्यों हुआ है is only because मुझे लगा उस समय that was the right thing to do for a friend, standing up for a friend, and that's what I chose to do. And you guys are going to find that in like a few hours from now, probably another 3 hours from now, you guys will find what exactly happened. See, the idol match thing is real because a lot of there's a certain process basis of which बहुत सारे questions, an entire set of questionnaire is filled basis of which the idol match thing actually happens. So definitely there's some science behind it. मेरा मानना, खैर, my personal take on this whole idol match thing is that I think प्यार दिल का ज़्यादा मामला है और दिमाग का कम. So yeah, I mean, no machine can define who you made for, right? No guys, Shruti is not my girlfriend, and yes, Samyukta, I and me have dated in the past. We guys dated for about 3 months. हम लोग 3 महीना साथ में थे. उसके बाद हमारा mutually breakup हुआ because things weren't working out, और फिर हमारी 2-2.5 महीना बात नहीं हुई थी, and then we guys started talking again, and we have been on good terms since then. Why did I come? Well, I came because I wanted to. I think I haven't been on a reality show in the longest time. Roadies, honestly, मैंने करा था because I've grown up watching that show, और वो show was a huge source of inspiration and motivation for me. And when I'd gone for Roadies, I was this close to winning the show. So I decided right after Roadies कि अगर मैं कोई reality show दोबारा करता हूँ, I'll only do it to win it. And that's what my entire game plan and entire strategy is. On Splitsvilla. तो इस साल जब मुझे when the showmakers approached me to come on the show, my only thing was that if I do it, मैंने अपने आप से बात करी that if I'm going to do it, I'm only going to do it to win it, which you guys are like going to see my approach towards the show. So there's a lot that you guys are going to see, and a lot you guys what has happened, till where have I gone, or till where has have my friends gone on the show. So that's something that you guys will find out. But that's the whole strategy, that's the whole plan. अगर संयुक्ता के साथ गेम में आगे बढ़ने का मौका मिलेगा तो आप क्या आगे बढ़ोगे? Well, definitely उसका आंसर नहीं है, but since the show is already over, things have happened in a certain way. आप लोग देखोगे क्या होने वाला है, whether or not I've paired up with Samyukta or Myra or Shruti or whosoever. That's something that you guys are going to find out. Sam is I think Sam's a really nice girl, and Sam's a very talented girl. I think this saal, the whole contestants who've come in have been a very talented bunch. There've been people जिन्होंने movies करी है, who won Filmfare Awards, done mainstream Bollywood cinema as well. People like Anshuman Malhotra. Please don't break Shohan, guys. For those of you who know me personally, मेरे दोस्त जो करीबी से मुझको जानते हैं, I don't believe in breaking relationships. I only believe in making them. But what needs to be set right needs to be set right. It's as simple as that. Who am I planning to pair up with? I think the entire villa is open. Of course, some people, I wouldn't, skip because they're already, idol matches and couples. But how I go about this entire thing, that's something that we'll find out. मुझे सब पसंद है आज स्प्लिट्सविला में, सारे ही अच्छे हैं. Thank you so much. What's the best thing about this show? For me, the best thing about this show for me is that that those 30 days जो आप 30 दिन के लिए शो पे होते हो, it's like living a small little it's a small lifetime that you live. कि उसी में ही आप अपने रिश्ते बनाते हो, उसी में आप दुश्मन बनाते हो, उसी में ही आप अपनी जंग लड़ते हो, उसी में आप अपनी जंग हारते हो, और उसी में आप अपनी जंग जीतते हो. So it's the whole experience of it is pretty amazing. I think Splitsvilla is way different from Roadies, because Roadies eventually you're playing it for yourself. There's going to be only one winner, but Splitsvilla there are going to be 2 people who are going to win it, a guy and a girl, right? A couple end of the day. So that's a whole different take altogether, because यहाँ पे बस आपको अपने आप को अपना ध्यान नहीं रखना है, आपको अपने पार्टनर का भी ध्यान रखना है, एंड विच entirely changes it. I think roadies में कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा थोड़ा pressure release हो जाता है because you're constantly traveling and you know get to see so many new places. But here you're in the same place for 30 days, you know, back to back, which kind of you know gets to your head. नवीन सैनी भाई, मैं किसी के बीच में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट नहीं करने आया, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग दूर ज़रूर करने आया हूँ, बट मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट करने नहीं आया. रोहन एंड श्रुति's रिलेशन इज़ वेरी ट्रू गाइज. जो लोग नहीं देखते हैं कैन गो टू यू नो द इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल्स एंड सी, एंड दैट्स समथिंग फॉर रियल. Myra, my life, my rules, my era. I think Myra is a very very interesting personality. If you guys meet her in person, you know how you'll know how interesting, how melodramatic, how much of a drama she is. And I've been fond of her, you know, for some time now because हम लोगों ने एक TV शो भी साथ में करा था, and मैं उसको already कुछ common friends के थ्रू जानता था, हम पहले मिल चुके थे. So she's definitely one you know fun and interesting personality. कौन वोट आउट होगी या होगा इज समथिंग जो आपको शो में ही पता चलेगा. सो कीप वॉचिंग. Something about Monal, I think she's Monal is very sweet. I think the way her journey is panned out for me, क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं पता था कि you know before coming as a wild card कि ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है, but I think it's a little unfortunate. I think Simba and Monal could have done really well, but unfortunate for her that you know Simba did not like continue the entire thing with her. But you never know, the show is still on, she's still in the game, so let's see what's going to happen. Is Splitsvilla scripted? I don't know guys, why do you guys keep asking this question? All these shows aren't really scripted, because when you say it's scripted, there's a certain script that goes on in making the show, which you know if you go by that, then you can't really make a reality show. So कोई scripted नहीं होता है. A lot of people who don't get to go probably you know send out these rumors, या कुछ लोग जल्दी बाहर निकल जाते हैं, they find it unfair, so those people kind of spread these rumors. So definitely not. Is winning more important than finding an ideal match for you? Well, I've come on the show to win it, so I'd say winning is definitely more important. Ideal match is something that मेरे लिए कोई मशीन नहीं बताएगी, मेरा दिल मुझे बताएगा कि ये मेरे लिए ideal match है कि नहीं है. So that's something again that you'll find out as and when you watch the show. As I said, मेरी planning बहुत simple रहेगी. Play it with a clean heart, play it straight up, don't be afraid of anyone, and play to win it. तो बहुत simple planning है ये game की. Hey, कैसा लूने? Thank you so much, Asmita. Tell me, Mona Lisa. I'm sorry, I'm skipping some comments. There are too many comments right now. Who has been my favorite winner jodi from the past? I think Kavya and Gurmeet from season 10, no 9, were my favorites. Basir and Naina have been my favorites. I think both of these jodis have done really well. Prince by his season dominated the season, which was pretty cool to watch. किसके साथ मैं जोनी स्टार्ट करूँगा is something again that you guys will find out as and when you watch the show. मेरा आइडल मैच, यार कितने आइडल मैच, कितनी लड़कियां बची जिनके पास आइडल मैच नहीं है, तो उनमें से कोई भी हो सकता है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल दिस थिंग, यू कैन डू द मैथ. नेक्स्ट कौन से शो में आ रहे हो गाइज? आई एम ऑल्सो शूटिंग फॉर अ टेलीविजन सोप राइट नाउ जिसका नाम है क़यामत की रात. तो जो मेरे को फिक्शन में देखना चाहता है कैन वॉच मी ऑन क़यामत की रात ऑन स्टार प्लस एवरी सैटरडे संडे 7 PM. एंड जो मुझे रियलिटी शो में देखना चाहते हैं कैन वॉच मी ऑन MTV Splitsvilla every Sunday on 7 PM. So I have both the things, and plus I have a lot of other digital content coming out for you people. So yeah. Honestly, if I had to say who's the dumbest person on Splitsvilla, would be Simba for me right now, because he's trying to play it very safe by wanting an idle match because he thinks that's the only thing that can get him to win the show. But I don't know if he's forgotten, but Basir and Naina last year weren't an idle match and they still went on to win the show. Saad's one of my closest friends. So yeah, I mean that pretty much defines Saad's and mine relationship. Splitsvilla 10, as I said, guys, favorite jodi was Basir and Naina. Okay guys, just sending your final questions because I think it's time for me to go now, and this will be it. Just a final few questions I'd really like to answer. Anything that you guys want to ask about the show, don't ask me to reveal anything because that I cannot. उसके अलावा अगर कुछ पूछना चाहोगे, I'd definitely answer. कौन जीतेगा Splitsvilla 11 is something that you guys will find out, guys. Keep watching the show. Another friend, Mohit, our Kolkata boy. I think Mohit is a really good friend of mine, and he's a really funny person. He's very humorous. All of us were staying together up until now, but we, all of us are shifting out to our, separate houses. So it's a very nostalgic moment for us because, all these nights we've just been chilling together and, remembering all the fun times you guys have had together. But that doesn't change our relationship, and I think we're going to continue being, the same way that we've been all this while. Shruti ka meri idol match hogi is again something that you guys are going to find out. So keep watching the show. Splitsvilla में मेरा best friend Shruti था. उससे पहले भी था, उसके बाद भी है. So that doesn't change, guys. एक रियलिटी शो से अगर आपकी दोस्ती चेंज हो जाए तो वो दोस्ती नहीं है. And as I always say, दोस्ती प्यार है, प्यार दोस्ती है. And I've said that on the show as well. So देखते रहिए. It's going to be a lot of fun watching the show. If I were to stand up for something in Splitsvilla between your friends and maybe your ideal match, which one will you choose? It depends. Yeah, it depends. I mean, if I have promised to play the game with a certain person, I'd play the game with that person, but I'd also ensure that he or she does the right thing because I always believe in doing the right thing. Or I think that's not going to be like a difficult choice for me. Somebody is saying तू साले बाप का पैसा नष्ट कर रहा है. भाई बाप का पैसा मैंने लेना बंद कर दिया भाई. 5 साल हो गए बाप का पैसा नहीं लिया. I don't know why you guys say all this, man. Spread some more love. There's no point spreading any hate. चलो टॉप 3 बता दो कौन है. टॉप 3 नहीं होंगे, पहली बार टॉप 4 होंगे बिकॉज इट्स अ कपल शो. या टॉप 4 टॉप 6 होंगे. Any more questions, guys? Thank you so much, Nikhil Garg, Shriya Malhotra, Aishwarya. Thank you, Mona Lisa. Anyone can win the show, guys. Anshuman, Roshni, anybody can win the show. It's the game's very open right now. देखते रहिए, guys. I think my time is up now. I'm gonna go. I wish you guys all the best. Keep watching this show. Keep showering all the love to all the contestants that you've been doing all this while. I'm going to come live on my Instagram account after the episode. So you can follow me on my account, which is @GauravAlugh, GAURAVALUGH. Follow me on that account, and we can have a nice chat once the revelation is off, and I'd like to talk about it. So I'm definitely going to go live after the revelation happens. Stay tuned. Keep spreading the love. Spread happiness, people. Spread love. There's no point spreading hate. And love all of you all. Love all of you. Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. It's been a pleasure talking to all of you. Bye guys. See you.